Good day. Our lesson for today is application of right triangles. Now we are given of this scenario. A radio tower was built in two sections. From a point 87 feet from the base of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the first section is 95 degrees, and the angle of elevation of the top of the second section is 40 degrees. What is the height of the top section of the tower? So let's get back to the question. A radio tower was built in two sections. So it is obvious that the tower was built in two parts. Part A and Part B. From point 87 feet from the base of the tower. Then, we are given of the base, 87 feet. So here is our base. The angle of elevation of the top of the first section is 25 degrees. So, we are given of angle of elevation. So, what is angle of elevation? Angle of elevation starts from bottom to top. You are looking from down to up. Okay. So, the first section is 25 degrees. So, the first part here is 25 degrees. So, here we are at the first right triangle. Then, and the second angle of elevation of the top of the second section is 40 degrees. 40 degrees. So, the total height of this angle from part A to B is 40 degrees. The question is, what is the height of the top section of the tower? So, first, what do you need to do from this scenario? You are given two angles, then one, and then the base. So, this will come up from the SOHCAHTOA. What is SOHCAHTOA? Sine, cotangent, and tangent. So, stands for sine, opposite, and hypotenuse. Ka stands for cosine, adjacent, and hypotenuse. And TOA stands for tangent, opposite, and adjacent. So,
Okay. So this is our right triangle. This line, this longest line is called the hypotenuse. The side which is always the longest is hypotenuse. Next is this line, which is the vertical side, is the opposite. Then the last one is the horizontal line, which is the adjacent. This is the three parts of the right triangles. Hypotenuse, which is the longest side again. Opposite is the vertical line, and adjacent is the horizontal line.
what does it mean that it is used for tangent? Let's explain. Tangent, opposite, adjacent. We are given the adjacent part. And what we are finding is the height, which is the opposite. So we need to find opposite. Then we are given the adjacent. There is no hypotenuse in the given. So we will use tangent. Tangent means opposite over hypotenuse. So we are finding opposite. That means this is, let be your missing number. So tangent 40 degrees is equals to B over 87. Where did you find the 87? It is the adjacent. It is the 87 feet. So how do we solve this? We can solve this by cross multiplication. So like this. This is how we do it. Cross multiplication. So we are given here in the scenario. Tangent 40 multiplied by 87 feet, then you come up with the answer of 73 feet. This is how you do it. So we have the answer of 73 feet from the B. So we'll go from the tangent B, 25 is equals to A over 87. Tangent 25 degrees multiplied by 87 is equals to 40.56 or 40.6. So that is your answer. And this is how you do it. Okay, lastly, the question is, what is the height of the top section? Apparently, this is not the answer already. You need to come up how to get the x. So, the total of this height of the tower, as we get from the measurement of B, is 73 feet. So, this 73 feet will be deducted from the first part, which is the B, the A. So, we need to subtract it to get the upper part. So, just let x is equals to B minus 8. So, 73 subtracted by 40.6 is equals to 32.4. And that is the final answer. Thank you and see you. Tapos.